everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Who's having a great day. I have a Pandora unboxing. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, they have these new things there. Okay. It says Pandora. Alright, I hope everybody's doing good today. Alright. This is for Disney 100. And that's what the new packaging looks like with the iridescent. And it says Disney 100. Alright, it's very minimal packaging. They just give you this little pamphlet that says visit the site. They give you your receipt and they give you the box. And that's it. That's all you get. All right. All right. That's what the cover looks like. That's what the top part looks like. And my lipstick today is called Rose Cocktail, and it's from Lancome. All right. Let's go ahead and undo the box here. Okay. That's all you get. Comes in a little thing like this. Let's go ahead and undo it. All right, this is the new Disney 100 bracelet. Okay, it comes in tissue paper. All right, this is pretty. And it's supposed to have gold. Yeah, these are very expensive. I don't really think, personally, I don't think they're worth it, but it's just the Disney snake. It's got 14 karat gold in the middle there. And that's about it. And these are, I don't know. These are too much in my opinion, but all right, let's see here. That's what the back looks like with the little hooks. And what I'll do is I will take a picture of this and put it on Instagram. So make sure you follow me at Susan Senior Style. But that's what the bracelet looks like for Disney 100. And they're going to come out with 9 charms from Pandora to celebrate Disney 100. And here's the Disney 100 iridescent. There we go. You can kind of see a little bit better there. All right, and the bag that I swapped out from my Patricia Natch flap bag is my 50th anniversary Dooney. This is the Satchel style with the handles that drop down. That's my favorite style. And it comes with the 50th anniversary luggage tag, which is leather. This is canvas. This part here is leather. They've got the leather pulls. The chaps are leather and the handle is leather. And the inside is fabric with leather trim, and it has 50th all in the bag. It has good organization. I like this style. This is my favorite style. All right. And then the bottom is canvas. These are leather straps. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye now.